don't think you wanna go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason.
Many men wish death upon me. None in my eyes out and I can't see. I'm tryna be what I'm destined to be. And niggas tryna take my life away. I put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me. My Mac on the wall, now you gon' see. Better watch how you talk when you talk about me. Cause I'll come and take your life away. Many men, many men wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me. These pussy niggas put money on my head.
What do you do, scumbag?
Fucking drifting, you see that?
David tells me rush. Guess what? No car in the trailer. Look who it is.
Late.
What, are you out of breath already? 10 minutes later. Hello. My period's over.
When's this car ever prepared?
It's never prepared, just like David. Nice. Good thing downforce will hold it down. Yo!
You know what it is? It's bad karma how you treated his women back in the day.
Yeah, exactly. You do. You treat your car like you treat your women.
Probation.
I don't know, is awesome there?
Yes, hold on. No.
Why are you on probation? Where are we going?
Racing.
Racing where?
Virginia.
Where?
On the beach.
On the beach, boy. Your mom said don't drive like a dickhead because the tires are bald.
It's to my real ill niggas, heavyweight hitters, dope getters, 50 ways to make figures. My niggas, they come on the spot to fail sisters, like the hair rail spitters, the kids on the ziggas. When it's ugly, then the club is lovely. Thugs be sipping Hennessy and bubbly. To my comrade, they keep it flaming hot on dangerous blocks, claiming spots where the goal is to be one of the top ranks.
With that bad bitch.
Where's Frankie?
Sitting home being a loser.
Sitting home being a loser?
Yeah, with Chris.
That sounds about right.
Yeah.
What about Chris? Chris being a loser too?
Yeah. Sitting there twiddling the fingers.
Just me and you, buddy.
Yes, sir.
I got big rocks jumping at my brand new Audemars. Ice, baby, I got a whole lot. Nigga, you's a nobody. You ain't got nobody. See niggas, they know about it. These niggas know about me. Step up on the scene, diamond bling, these whole screen. Check a boy, Louis V. I'm so fresh and so clean. Stuff them bands in my jeans, slap them 30s in them things.
I'm a first round duck.
Well, these blue tires, why don't you put a soft tune?
It was soft.
That was soft?
It was left on 3 pounds.
take it. Y'all ready? Yep. Yeah, he's calling. Y'all ready? Yep. Hands. Yes, it is.
We're gonna kick some ass tomorrow at least?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Not cocky, I'm confident.
Confident.
You got your laptop?
Mm-hmm.
We're playing roulette
Yes.
live.
We got a finger my laptop.
Yeah, it's like a penthouse suite in here. Who do you think is gonna win?
Fucking Tyson, man.
Tyson, right?
Bite his ear off.
If Tyson don't win, get off my channel. Yeah. Fuck you. Yo, wake the fuck up. Yo. Get up.
Rise and shine, it's race time!
Yo. Get up. Come on, we're late. Chop chop. Race day part 2.
Yes, sir.
Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby. But here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you.
So what happened today?
Walk away.
First round ducks, 2 nights in a row or 2 days in a row.
Look at that gumless guy. Gumby.
Drive all the way from New York to be a bunch of fucking losers.
Cautious with the image that I'm giving. What used to be appealing is the shit that I'm resenting. Feel like I ain't living, I'm dealing with so much. On the low, I'm acting tough, but I ain't been happy in a
Almost
minute.
home, buddy.
Yup. Yeah. This fucking trip sucked.
First round ducks twice in a row.
2 days in a row. First round duck.
Oh well, killing them all.
Yep.
Good night, friends.
Look at that bad bitch.
There she is. She's back.